Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to translate Word documents in DeepL. So actually guys, first you will need to go and open up your favorite browser and then just go with the DeepL.com, okay, website. And now just go with the translate files option that's located on the left hand menu, and it's the second option under DeepL translator. Okay, so once you click it right here, you will have an option that says translate files, so you can click it or just drag and drop your Word document or your Word file or click select files. Okay, so all of these options are available just right here, right? And then go and choose the target language. Okay, so you can go with French, German, English, and loads more languages right here, and then just click on translate, and once finished you can then download the file. Okay, so what you will get a translated .docs file and the same formatting preserved, okay, like fonts, layouts, images, etc. So as you can see, the free version has file size and usage limits and works best with docs. Like older doc may need conversion, of course, okay, and the complex layouts may have small formatting changes. So what I advise you to do is to use the docs format for the best results and keep the text selectable, not scanned images. And for the PDFs, just convert to Word first for better translation. Okay, so actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.